Hello, in front of me I've got Omoda 9. In this video I'll show you how to manage camera settings. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display. Next, go to Around View Monitor and Settings. Here you can enable AVM boot animation, turn signal activated AVM, steering angle activated AVM, auto zoom in view, auto narrow lane assist, door opening alert, guidelines display, parking radar display, and you can change body transparency between full, semi, or off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.